Looking for the right vehicle? Check out the 2017 Outback. Take the go-anywhere capability of all-wheel drive and plenty of room for cargo and companions, and you've got the Subaru Outback. Let the adventure begin, and is priced below $30,000. This vehicle has less than 30,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: backup camera, navigation system, keyless entry, power liftgate, all-wheel drive, power passenger seat, leather-wrapped steering wheel, driver airbag, driver lumbar, adjustable steering wheel. This vehicle offers reliability and good looks at a great price. So come in and take a test drive today.
Subaru certified pre-owned vehicles have no secrets. You never have to wonder about vehicle history, reliability, and durability. Qualifying vehicles have passed through a stringent process determined by Subaru of America. And when shopping for a pre-owned Subaru, the best place to look is your Subaru dealer.